Ah, hello. I am Solaire of Astora. What brings you to these strange lands? Me? I come to search for fellow warriors of sunlight. Now I may be undead, but I can sense you too are a bearer of the sun. Ha ha ha! Marvelous! Here, a token of my appreciation. Go on, eat it. I promise I just baked them. The way I see it, our fates appear to be intertwined. We must help one another in bringing the light to others in this time of need. Will you help me? You truly are remarkable. Upon finishing jolly cooperation, give these medals to other spirits, so that they too can experience the warmth of the sun. And if you run out, not to worry. I can show you how to make many more. Now come, follow me to my humble abode, and I will teach you. Then maybe you too can pass on this wondrous knowledge. Here's what you will require. 200 grams of softened butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 400 grams of plain flour. For the equipment you will need a baking tray, a rolling pin, parchment paper, a stencil for the shapes, a palette knife, a 4-inch round cutter, a 1-inch round cutter. It is recommended to use an electric mixer. Start by creaming the sugar and butter together until pale. Add the egg and the vanilla until combined. Gradually add the flour until a dough begins to form. Place onto a lightly floured surface and roll out until it's about 5 millimeters thick. Cut out the cookies and place them onto a lined baking tray. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes. Allow them to completely cool. To make the decorations, 200 grams of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of warm water, yellow sugar paste, red sugar paste, cover a clean surface with icing sugar and begin to roll out the yellow sugar paste to half the biscuit thickness. Cut out the same amount of yellow circles to cookies. Carefully draw the sun's face. This may require some patience and practice to master. Next, start to roll out the red sugar paste to the same thickness as the yellow. Use the stencil to cut out the desired shape. Using a small amount of water, stick the yellow circle in the middle of the sun. Mix the icing sugar and water together to make icing to stick the sun to the cookie. Praise the sun. If only I could be so grossly incandescent.